In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a Power Automate flow using the concurrency setting. Power Automate is a powerful tool, but when you're dealing with complex workflows, it can sometimes take longer than you'd like. By adjusting the concurrency settings, you can potentially speed things up significantly. First, let's locate the apply to each action in your flow. This is typically where your flow might slow down, especially if it contains many iterations. To begin, click on the ellipsis, the three little dots you see there, on the apply to each action. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, select Settings. This is where we'll make our key adjustments. Once you're in the Settings panel, you'll notice an option for concurrency control. It's not turned on by default, so you'll need to toggle this setting to On. By enabling concurrency control, you're allowing your flow to process multiple items simultaneously, which can dramatically speed things up. Next, you'll need to set the degree of parallelism. This number decides how many iterations of your loop can run simultaneously. For most standard licenses, the default is usually 20, which is often a good balance for many users. However, this is also the recommended maximum for most scenarios because it minimizes the risk of overwhelming resources or running into throttling issues, or limitations placed on your flow's performance due to overuse. If your flow is especially time-sensitive or if you anticipate heavy usage, you might consider increasing this number, keeping in mind that while doing so can enhance speed, it also demands more resources. Be cautious when deciding on the degree of parallelism. While you can set it as high as 50, pushing it to the maximum isn't always ideal. Setting the degree too high can lead to throttling, where Microsoft places limits on the number of requests your flow can make in a given time frame because your usage exceeds what's typically standard. It's important to find the right balance based on your specific flow requirements and the resources available to you. After setting the degree of parallelism, simply click Done to save your adjustments. Your flow should now be set to execute more efficiently, with multiple loops running concurrently. So, there you have it. By tweaking the concurrency settings, you've learned how to enhance the speed and efficiency of your Power Automate flow. Remember, while it's tempting to always set the degree of parallelism to its maximum, being mindful of resource consumption and throttling risks is key to maintaining a stable and effective flow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you optimize your workflows. Happy automating!